Here's how to change your TikTok profile picture. Now, if you're on the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, you can navigate to your profile picture by tapping on the profile button at the very bottom right. You can see at the very top is My Profile Picture. I'll walk you through steps on how to change the profile picture in addition to the avatar, as well as downloading it first so you don't lose that if you wanted to revert back. Now, if you just tap on your profile picture, it pops up with adding to your story. So that doesn't really help us. We need to tap on the edit button to the right of your name. After you've done that, you can see edit photo or avatar. You can tap on that. It says I can create an avatar, take a photo with the camera, upload a photo from my gallery, or view photo. I would first recommend tapping view photo because I would highly recommend tapping the download button so that you have a copy of this just in case you wanted to revert back to your old profile picture. After you've done that, let's get out here, tap on that, and I'm going to upload a photo. Let's say I wanted to upload a random other photo, keep scrolling through, let's say this one. Now I can upload this and I can choose to post it to my story, and I can tap on preview to see what it looks like. But in this case, I don't necessarily want to. So I'm going to uncheck that and then hit the save button. After I've done that, you'll be able to see if I swipe down, it will usually refresh. Keep in mind, you might need to go out of here and keep swiping down, and then it will refresh with your new profile picture.